Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be making this video today because a few days ago I ordered a new Kastking Kestrel Elite BFS fishing reel and it arrived today. So the video will be about the unboxing and my first impression of the reel. Alright, let's get started. Let's take a look at the box. Kastking Elite Bait Finesse System. This reel is a 8.4 gear ratio. Let's take a look at some of the specs on the box. Well, the weight is 4.5 ounces, which is about 130 grams. It's made of a magnesium alloy frame, which is really nice, right? A metal frame. And it has 11+1 double shielded stainless ball bearings. And it has aluminum gears and main shaft. Pump perfect design, right? Only 36.5 mm tall. It is made of a magnesium alloy frame and it has carbon fiber side plates, right? And for drag, it has 13.2 pounds, which is about 6 kilograms of drag, right? That's plenty for BFS fishing. So let's open up and have a look at the reel. There it is, Kastking Kestrel Elite BFS. Right, let's have a look. Let's put it aside. Right, Kastking Kestrel Elite. Some of the schematics of the components. Some stickers from Kastking. And instructions manual and information about warranty. Right, let's put that aside and take a look at the reel. Well, that's the reel. First thing I notice is it's really smooth. You can hardly hear anything. Okay, I'll put it closer. Really nice and smooth. Nice gunmetal color, right? Made of magnesium alloy. It feels really comfortable, very small. Yeah, it's one of the smallest reel I have. I have the Daiwa Tatula. I'll bring it here for a comparison. And the Tatula 103 is a very small reel, and the Kestrel is smaller. And when I feel them in the hands, right, the Kestrel is significantly lighter. Yeah. Oh, the handle is carbon fiber, you can see from the side here. Nice carbon fiber pattern. The knobs are a little bit different from the usual bait casting reel that I have. The usual bait casting reel knobs are mostly flat paddles. Yep. This is a little bit different. It's like a rectangular block with some wavy patterns. Yeah, it definitely feels different. I can't tell whether I like it or not. It's not uncomfortable, but it definitely feels different. There's the drag. Yes, a nice loud clicking sound and very easy to turn. Right. That's really nice. Yeah. Yeah. Some reels have the drag adjustments flush. Yep. And it's really hard to turn. Yeah. You compare that to the Daiwa Tatula. Yeah, you got to really push hard, yep, to turn it. And sometimes if your hands are wet, it gets a little bit difficult. Yeah. But the Kastking Kestrel, yeah, it's really easy. You can just pinch it, yeah, and turn it, and there's a now nice audible click. right? Let's count how many clicks from minimum to maximum. $22, right? So from minimum to maximum, there are 22 clicks. Right, the gear ratio is written here, 8.4 to 1, right? So per turn is about 73 cm, right? So it's quite a fast reel, yep, which allow us to bring in the fish very quickly and retrieve the line very quickly. For the line capacity, right, for PE1 is about 115 meters, which is PE1 is usually about 20 pounds. For BFS reel, 20 pounds, 150 meters is plenty. Yep, usually I will only put about 50 to 70 meters of 8 to 10 pound braid. So I think I will hardly fill the spool up. Alright, let's take a look at other parts of it. Okay, let's take a look at the drag adjustment. Nice clicking drag adjustment. A little bit soft though, yeah, can hardly hear it. Spool tension knob. Yep, definitely audible and it's clicking as well. One of the nice feature about Kastking Kestrel Elite BFS is it has a drag clicker, so it sounds quite crisp and loud. Yeah, I really like it because it makes the fight more exciting. And I can't emphasize enough how nice it feels in the hand. I have really small hands, and the reel feels really comfortable in the hands. It's really small. Yeah, it's comfortable to hold. If I compare it with the Kastking Zephyr, you can see that the Kastking Zephyr is actually quite a lot bigger. Yeah, and it definitely feels bigger in the hands. Yeah, yeah, the Zephyr has a drag clicker as well. So if I compare these two reels, the Zephyr is definitely not as comfortable as the Kestrel Elite. The most important part of a BFS reel is the spool. So let's take out the spool and have a look. Okay, put the side cover aside. This is a spool. It's a short shaft spool, very shallow spool. If I'm not wrong, it's only 28 millimeters. And on the specs, it says that the spool only weighs 5.6 gram. Well, let's find out if it's really 5.6 gram. Alright, let's weigh the spool. 5.5 grams. That's really light. 5.4, right? I think it's one of the lightest spool that I have in my BFS fishing reel collection, and that's actually including the bearing. Let's take a look at the side plate. This is a Kastking patented braking system. Right? It's a dynamic brake system, which means at the beginning of cast, it will apply more braking force, and towards the end of the cast, the braking force will be reduced, and it allows the lure to go a little bit further. Well, all in all, I think I really like this reel. Yeah, it feels smooth. Right, it's very small. It's very light. It has a really light spool. There's a very nice audible drag clicker, and I will take it out for a cast test. Right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you like to see, and I will see you soon next time. Bye.